guys, I'm back with another video. Today's video about the GoPro Hero 8 that I just bought, and I'm gonna unbox this GoPro and set it up. So let's see what's included in this box. I just bought this from the Costco wholesale dealer. So these are the functionality of the GoPro. So, and all those things are included in this box. So let's open it up and see what we got. I'm just trying to be careful to not damage the box, so just in case if I decided to sell it, so it's keep the resale value up. Let's put the box on side, and this is beautiful pouch for this camera that you can carry around. So let's open this up. So first thing, I'm not sure what this about. This is like a foam pad, and I'll take the camera out. So this is the GoPro Hero 8. Let's open it. And so one of the good thing about this camera, you'll get the mounting grip attached to the camera already. So as you can see, it's already here, and it's kind of like metal and magnetic, which go flat, and you can mount this on the tripod easily. So let's just put the camera on side. So one USB-C cable for charging the camera, and the battery for the camera, and one extra battery with this bundle that I bought from the Costco. And this is the mount for the helmet, I guess, because it's a round one which you can use on the car if you're gonna mount your GoPro on the car or on the helmet. So that's why they make it round. And there is another one which is actual mount that goes in this thing. Lift this up and see, lift this rubber part up, press this and put this rubber mount down so it won't go out of this. It's very nice stuff. So let's put this on side for now, and let's see what else we got in the box. We got this, which will go here, and let's see what we have. Okay, that's nice. We got a grip which we're gonna hold it, and I think it's the floating as well. If you drop in the water or something, it won't go down and it will just float on top of it. Has a grip handle and is stretchy as well. Very nice thing. And you can see this thing you can mount on this easily. Let me just show you guys. As you can see, now let me put the camera in it to just show you guys how it's gonna be, how it's gonna look on it. Okay, there we go. You can see, and it's just ready to use already. It's very easy to set up, and you can loose this up and select the angle, which angle you want to set this up. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna see what else we have in the box. Okay, here we go. So this is probably the warranty card, user manual, how we're gonna mount this, and you can see, you probably know already this stuff. This is a sticker for GoPro, if you're really fan of the GoPro, you're probably gonna put on somewhere laptop or on the car or wherever you want. And this is a user manual for this, which I'm gonna just put all this stuff right here. And this is the SD card that come with this bundle. This is 32 GB SD card. Let me open this and put in the camera. Okay, so I'm taking the SD card out. So what is the best thing about this, what I like so far is this thing, the jacket of this micro SD card, which I can easily use with my laptop. I already have a port of this in my laptop. I can transfer the files easily into the laptop. So let's just, to open this, we need to lift this up. I think press this downward. When this red area shows, you can just pull this off like this. So the SD card goes like this, you can see. You can use your nail and it just stays inside. So let's just put the battery. Hopefully it is charged. So battery also go like this. The GoPro sign front of the camera. That's it. Just close it and lock it up. So I think that's all we have to do. I'm gonna leave the paper for now to prevent the scratches. If the touch does not work properly, I will just remove it until I'm not gonna remove it until I get the screen protector for this, especially for the front one, because in this GoPro Hero 8 you cannot remove the front lens, which is a kind of bummer, because if you scratch your front lens, you have to replace the whole camera or the whole body. With the previous GoPro Hero 7, there was a front lens clip that you can remove easily and replace. So without any delay, let's turn on. So you press this button once and it will just turn on the camera. Here we go. So this is the normal procedure that every new device that you're gonna do. So it's saying install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. So let me set up this on my phone. Actually I'm already recording with my phone, so I have to stop the video to install that app, and I will be right back. So I don't know why they are showing the GoPro video editor app. So let's just download video editor app and see if this is the right one. So as you can see, now it's searching for the camera, and the camera is on. Hopefully just pick it up and make the process easy. Yes, it found the camera. Connect. As you can see, it's just the beeps twice, so which means the camera is connected. So as you can see, now the phone is connected with the camera and it is showing camera on the phone, so you can control your camera from your phone, select the different modes and settings, from like which setting you want to record the video and stuff, slow motion, cinematic, activity and everything. Plus you have a, as you can see, it's recording now. And I'm surprised with the color correction. I think is nice, not that bad for the action camera. It's not that green, but it's like more like a natural color, but it's good. It's kind of slow. The app does not work like properly. You have to I already pressed like 3-4 times to stop the video, but it did not stop yet. Let me just press from the camera. Yeah, so I press from the camera, then it stopped. It's quite slow, it's not working that nice, but I think it's just done the job, I guess. You can, it makes things easier if you place your camera far away from you on the tripod somewhere, so you can connect with your phone and connect and easily see. Okay guys, you can see the camera is on and it just says like on top, you probably can't see, it says 1 hour 15 minutes with 32 GB SD card with this mode, 1080p 60 frames per second. Let me change the mode and see if I record 4K how it's gonna be. Adjust your setting and save them as a custom. So these are the settings. Let me select the 4K 30 frames per second. Now it's gonna record 59 minutes 27 seconds. So this is what it's gonna record with this memory card. I think it's quite less if you wanna go and do a long vlog. So for now that will be it. I'm gonna do it the video comparison, video quality result and pictures later. I will show you guys how the quality looks and everything of this camera, and I will be making videos, just try to make some action videos, training videos with this camera and show you guys the result of it and the stabilization. So let me just turn off. So with this button also, let me show you, you can if you turn on your camera like this, you can do the portrait mode, and with the same power button, if you want, press once, you can do photos, time lapse, video and photos again, like 3 settings with the power button, you can see. So you have different modes also in the photos, live burst, brush mode, night mode. So I think you cannot see picture and videos from the directly from the camera, which I'm not sure why. I did not try before, so I'm not sure. So I think you can only see those videos when you connect your camera with the phone, or to insert the memory card in the computer and see all those videos that you create. So that's it for now. I will see you guys later in the next video with the review of this GoPro Hero 8. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.